Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
Over the past 5 years, gold has experienced a significant surge in value, increasing by approximately 72%. With economic uncertainties and upcoming elections shaping investment decisions, more investors are turning to gold as a stable asset. One of the most effective ways to invest in physical gold is through a gold individual retirement account (IRA), offering tax advantage and portfolio diversification. Select the right gold IRA provider is essential, and JM Bullion has distinguished itself as a trusted leader in this industry. With competitive premiums and outstanding customer service, they provide a seamless experience for investors looking to secure their retirement with precious metal. JM Bullion, based in Dallas, Texas, is a premium provider of gold and silver investment products. Since its founding, the company has built a strong reputation for transparency, ethical business practices, and top-tier customer support. With a commitment to quality and education, JM Bullion makes it easy for investors to buy, sell, and store precious metals securely. Their extensive product catalog, competitive pricing, and user-friendly online platform have positioned JM Bullion as go-to resource for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios with gold, silver, and platinum and palladium. Founded by Michael Whitmire and Jonathan Von Chalk in 2011, JM Bullion has grown into one of the most respected names in the precious metal industry. Under the leadership of CEO Michael Whitmire and Vice President of Operations Tom Farquharson, the company has expanded its reach while maintaining a strong commitment to customer satisfaction and industry best practices. JM Bullion offers a streamlined process for opening a gold IRA, making it easier than ever for investors. For include physical gold in the retirement portfolios, the process includes selecting a trusted IRA custodian such as Equity Trust Company or New Direction Trust Company, funding the IRA through a transfer, revolver, and direct contribution. Choosing from JM Bullion extensive selection of IRA eligible gold, silver, and platinum palladium, placing an order through their secure online platform, having the metal shipped to an IRS approved storage facility. The structured approach ensures a compliance with IRS regulations while giving investors peace of mind and securing their financial future. JM Bullion stand out by offering unique features that enhance the investing experience. Their on-sale product selection regularly update and discounted deals, gold and silver bullion, providing cost-saving opportunities for investors. Additionally, their new arrival selection highlight the latest inventory, assuring customers have access to fresh selection of high-quality products. For those looking to automate their investment, JM Bullion, a auto-buy program allows customers to set a recurring purchases based on price target. The innovative feature help investors to build their portfolios over time without the need of constant market monitoring. Precious metal and investment products. JM Bullion offer a comprehensive selection of investing grade and precious metal, including gold product, American Gold Angels, Canadian Maple Leaf, and South African Corundus, and gold bars from rehonored mints. Silver product, American Silver Angels, Canadian Silver Maple Leaves, and a variety of silver rounds and barred in multiple sizes, platinum and palladium, coins and bars from Credit Suisse, Warmkey, and Royal Canadian Mint. Copper, a growing category for collectors featuring copper bars and round of various designs. Additionally, JM Bullion provide essential accessories such as coin capsules and storage tubes to help customers protect and display their investments. One of the JM Bullion key advantage is a transparent pricing structure. The company assures a fair market pricing by basing its product rates and real-time spot prices, plus a minimal markup unlike some competitors, and JM Bullion does not charge hidden fees or commissions, making the buying process straightforward and honest. Additionally, they offer free shipping on orders over $199 with secure and assured delivery. The commitment and affordability and security makes GM Bullion a strong choice for both new and experienced investors. GM Bullion constantly receives a high rating for its customer service and reliability with an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau (BBB) and over 1,400 reviews on Trustpilot with 4.5-star rating. Customer pays the company for timely and secure deliveries, excellent customer support, and knowledgeable representatives. A seamless online purchasing experience with real-time pricing. Absolutely, GM Bullion is widely recognized as a reputable and legitimate gold dealer. Their transparency, excellent product selection, and a commitment to customer satisfaction make them a strong contender and in the precious metals market. Whether you are a first-time buyer or a seasonal investor, GM Bullion provides the tool, resources, and support to help you make an informed decision. For those looking to invest in precious metal, GM Bullions offer a secure, transparent, and customer-friendly platform. Their commitment to competitive pricing, product quality, and the investor education makes them an excellent choice for anyone considering gold and silver as a part of their financial strategy. To learn more about investing in gold IRA or to explore GM Bullion, a wide range of products, visit their website today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more insight in the world of precious metal investment.